Welcome, and thank you for watching to our Carrier IQ project video. We will take you through the project. This is a collaboration between Vanderlande and WICO campus near Pelt, and it is part of a project by RDC Limburg. The starting point of innovation begins here. This project focuses on a technical solution to a realistic challenge with a clear mission. We now present you the prototypes, each with a unique technical approach. We have identified 5 problem statements that we aim to solve. In the following 3 prototypes, the focus is on positioning. At various locations in the system, colors have been applied. These can be linked to specific locations within the project. In this setup, each motor will have a unique graphical code. A camera will scan these codes and determine the correct location. In another setup, a tag will be placed under the carrier. When it passes a scanning module, a signal will be transmitted. Next, we check whether the tension of the conveyor belt is still optimal. The distance between the belt and the sensors will be continuously measured. If the sensor detects a deviation, an error code will be sent. The distance between the sensor and the belt will also be continuously measured in another setup. Here, a different type of sensor is used. Again, a signal will be sent when a deviation is detected. Next, we check whether there is any defect in the electric motor. The temperature of the motor will be measured using a contactless sensor. This value will be compared to a predefined maximum value. If the temperature exceeds this limit, an error message will be sent. This setup works almost the same as the previous one. However, in this case, voltage and current are measured instead of the heat generated by the motor. To provide a live view of the system, a camera has been installed. The camera continuously transmits images throughout the entire process. This allows us to visually inspect for any issues or defects. Finally, the system checks the conveyor belt for damage and defects. To monitor the width of the belt, 4 sensors are placed next to each other. If one of the sensors no longer detects the belt, an error code will be generated. In addition, the thickness of the belt is monitored. If the belt drops below the minimum thickness, a sensor will detect this and send an error code. All measurements are displayed on a dashboard. This dashboard shows the live position of the carrier within the system. You can immediately see where the carrier is located. All status data is continuously updated and displayed. The interface changes color based on the current status. Green, the incoming data is correct and the system is operating normally. Red, there is a situation that requires attention. At the bottom of the dashboard, you can find the live data measured by the sensors. Finally, a graph is also generated. This allows you to easily identify trends, peaks, and deviations. This project was carried out by students of 4th year Technological Sciences. The dashboard was developed by students of 6th year Data and Application Management at WICO campus near Pelt.